So gold after the FOMC interest rate decision. So what happened was, lagyan natin dito, no? Fed holds interest rate. So same lang, no? Same rate. So what happened was, ganyan, no? Pababa si gold because of the war, because of the inflation, expecting that the Fed will hold or mag-hike ng interest rate. So that's what happened, no? Nag-hold nga ng interest rate. And that's the reason why from 4.887 it went down to 4.5, 4.509, 4.510. Okay? So that long, ganun siya kahaba, no? So before the actual decision, it's already going down. Okay, so from 4.7 it went down to 4.509. And yan, nandun tayo and we were able to ride that trend. And because of that, no, why is it going up right now? So in this chart natin, makita natin na we are still within the uh, the bigger picture of H4. We are still within the downtrend channel. And it's about to break out here right now. So check natin yung volume. No, so maraming participants, no? Medyo mataas-taas yung participants. And we can expect na probably with the US session coming up, it could continue and really break this out. No? So ngayon medyo nahihiya pa siya. So sa group natin, we mentioned that once it breaks 4638, it's gonna go up further, and that's what's happening now. 4640, 4641, and kanya tumagos na siya sa linya natin, no. Tumatagos na. So this is a support line, as you can see, touches the wicks, no. So we are including those wicks as the major point, no. So same thing here, we are including this. Yan. So for those asking, it's a valid support and resistance levels, no? You include the wicks, not just the body. Okay? So very evident naman, even at H4, it's still a valid support and resistance level. So yun nga, we wait for it to close. Ayan. Itong kandila na to, and then it should be a very convincing bullish candle, no? And once na mag-close yan above this trend line and a convincing candle here, then we have a chance of breakout and we will start buying. No, kasi as of right now, we have a signal na we are still selling this. But that was before 4.6, no? We have a signal na 4.598 and it's on a sell. So apparently, na SL hit tayo dyan and we just waited kasi nga malakas itong uh, pag-akyat na to. So that's what we are going to do. No, we wait it out for now, and we want to see more action here. No, so pag-akyat niyan, it should have a retest, and it should have a retest of around 4650. No, so even if it close above 4650 or 46 4670, no, and then it goes back down, then that's our entry, no. So going to the lower time frame, yeah, very evident na yung higher highs and higher lows. Yeah. Medyo steep lang, no? It's breaking above this, and so we look. So saka na, no? Tingnan na lang natin kung saan siya maglaland. Wala pa. So this one, no, higher highs, higher lows, and then breakout. Breakout dito sa trend line na to, and breakout dito sa 4-6, no? And then another breakout here, this one, this candle, and another breakout here, and now it is retesting. So actually, we can buy here, no? Buy here, and then let's target, and let's have our stop at and 4616, and our target is at 4675. It's still gonna give us 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so if this holds, then we have more chance of buying. So the reason why it's going up right now after the FOMC na hold, no, it's because of the expectation. So we trade the expectation. That's how gold works, or that's how gold moves. Expectation over decision. No? So tulad nga nasabi ko kanina, before the actual movement happened, or before the actual decision happened, it's already going down. It's already going down to 4509. So after the decision was made, it went down a bit and then go up na. No? Kasi tapos na sila. So many sessions like this na na-backtest na natin, na experience na natin. So even if we are trading or not these FOMC news, and sinusubaybayan talaga natin sila. So yun nga, and that's what happened here. So there are expectations of future rate cuts, and that's what's pricing in right now. Okay, so these are move since there's an apparent breakout here, very small. Uh, let's test the water here. So let's see what happens on the next video. So that's it for our gold market outlook. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.